Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best magnifying mirror suction bathroom vanity mirror on the market right now. The 9-inch 5x magnifying mirror by Mavoro. If you've ever struggled with applying makeup, grooming, or skincare details in front of a standard mirror, this is going to change your entire routine. Let's dive into why this mirror is earning rave attention. At first glance, the Mavoro Magnifying mirror looks simple, sleek, and minimal. But it's the thoughtful design that really sets it apart. With a large 9.4-inch round glass face, framed in durable ABS plastic, it has a clean aesthetic that fits any bathroom or vanity space. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This mirror is precision built. It's also incredibly travel-friendly, with a thickness of only 1 inch, even with the suction cups. That means it easily fits into your suitcase or carry-on, making it a reliable beauty companion on the go. Let's talk magnification. This mirror gives you 5x magnification through real, distortion-free glass, not plastic, not acrylic, real glass. That means you're seeing a sharp, undistorted, crystal-clear reflection of your face. Unlike smaller 6-inch magnifying mirrors that force you to get uncomfortably close, Mavoro's 9-inch size gives you a wider field of view. You can stand back 6 to 8 inches and still get a full, focused image. This makes it ideal for tweezing, eyeliner precision, and even close-up skincare work like pore cleaning. The 3 suction cups on the back are a game-changer. These aren't your average weak suction pads that slide off your wall the moment humidity hits. Mavoro uses what they call power suction, and it delivers. Whether you're sticking it to glass, tile, wood, or metal, the mirror holds on firmly. And if you ever want to reposition it, a warm wet cloth helps loosen the grip without damaging your wall or mirror. This makes it perfect for renters, dorm rooms, or even outdoor shower setups. What's also impressive is how versatile it is. While it's great for permanent home use, Mavoro also designed this mirror with travel in mind. It's slim enough to pack, yet large enough to remain functional when you're on the road. Whether you're in a hotel room that forgot a makeup mirror or you're camping but still want that extra level of grooming accuracy, this mirror has you covered. It's waterproof too, making it suitable for bathroom or even shower use without worry. Despite its premium features, this mirror is surprisingly affordable. It's priced competitively with smaller, less durable models, yet offers more size, better clarity, and stronger suction. That kind of peace of mind is rare for a personal care product at this price point. Mavoro backs up their product, and that says a lot about the quality you're getting. So if you're looking for a reliable, crystal clear, magnified view of your face for everyday use or on the go, the Mavoro 9-inch 5x magnifying mirror with suction cups is hands down one of the best you can get. Whether it's for shaving, makeup, tweezing, or skincare, this mirror delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next product breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp and see yourself clearly.